Here's the truth. YouTubers only earn cents per view on their YouTube video. They only make 10 cents up to 30 cents per view. And if we look at it, it's a small amount of money. But if it adds up and you have millions of subscribers and millions of views for every video, you can make thousands of dollars every month. Indeed, there is money on YouTube. Let's look at most of the YouTubers. They also use their resources to try other things to make money, like sponsored content and selling their merchandise. And they also do affiliate marketing, membership communities, and more. They don't rely on ad revenue. Instead, they try to maximize their income by taking advantage of their followers or subscribers. And that's about how YouTubers earn money from YouTube. Now let's talk about the most profitable niche on YouTube. The more exciting and unique your videos are, the more chances you'll get people's attention. So that results in more viewers and more subscribers. In this video, I'll share the most 8 profitable niches that you can do for your content. It might surprise you that the finance niche is not included in the top 8. Yes, this niche didn't make it on the top of the list. The stock market and real estate also aren't included in the list. So, what does make up the top 8 list? You better watch the entire video to know the top 8 most profitable niches. What do you think will be included? Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Before we dive into the main highlight of this video, let's first know the factors that make a YouTube niche profitable. So, first is the high CPM ad rates. CPM means cost per mile or cost per thousand. It's the amount of money that an advertiser pays per 1,000 visitors or views. YouTubers earn money from YouTube ad revenue from every 1,000 viewers on their video. Content creators with millions of subscribers earn money from the views of the videos they upload. A YouTuber typically makes between $1 to $5 CPM in most categories. In terms of money, they receive between 50 cents and $2.50 for every 1,000 YouTube views. It only shows that some YouTubers only receive cents for every view. Some profitable YouTube niches have CPMs of up to $20, $30, or even $50. Second is the uniqueness of the content people make. If it's something new and interesting in their eyes, they get hooked by it. So now, how will you attract people to stick around and watch your videos? The answer is to focus on an interesting niche that will surely be loved by most people. Therefore, more viewers will make you generate more ad revenue. And there's more. They'll be persuaded to click on the links for affiliate marketing or whenever you sell your product. Moreover, they might help you in membership recruitment on your YouTube channel. Remember that you keep every bit of the profit if you manage your membership website. The creator keeps 70% of the proceeds from memberships people buy, while YouTube keeps 30%. Then, while YouTube receives 45% of the cash from YouTube ads, you get 55% of it. In general, you should generate money and keep all of it. The third factor is through diversifying your sources of income. By vlogging or streaming on YouTube, you can focus on 2 or more niches on YouTube or try other ways to maximize your earnings. Always remember that a variety of revenue sources influences the profitability of something. Next, the fourth factor that impacts a niche's profitability is the potential for sponsorship. There are many kinds of sponsorship available for different niches. Software, technological products, and other items typically have far larger budgets and a wider range of sponsorship deals. At the same time, there is little sponsorship in other niches. And the fifth factor is all about having a buying audience. It means that when you have a buying audience or an audience with available money, you may get direct support from them. They're much more likely to buy or support whatever you sell. It's more challenging if your target audience lacks such resources. For instance, your audience is primarily composed of young people or those who are unemployed. Even in the case of sponsorships, people with less disposable income are less likely to click on such links, and so generate less traffic. It's more challenging to sell to your audience rather than affiliate marketing. It's extremely rare for buyers to support creators in this way by purchasing anything other than products. There will sometimes be donations, because if your target audience has money, it's easier to get direct support and to be able to create content on YouTube as a full-time career. So, those are the 5 factors that make a YouTube niche profitable. Now let's go to the 8 profitable niches on YouTube. Number 1 on the list is the automotive niche. You might be curious as to why the automotive niche is popular. You had no idea that this could let you earn a double-digit CPM. Cars and auto-related channels have generated between $15 and $35 CPM in ad revenue. This niche is quite lucrative and does focus on wealthy consumers. It occasionally has opportunities for sponsorship and brand collaborations. Number 2 is the outdoor and adventure niche. A double-digit CPM can also be achievable in this area, and you can make a lot of money from this. When it comes to the outdoor and adventure niche, you have infinite opportunities to make money via Amazon affiliate links and sign up for the Amazon Influencer program. Anything you can think of and use daily may be found on Amazon. Due to the volume of sales, the frequent usage of your links, buyer's guides, and other resources, as well as your ability to promote these products in your videos, this would undoubtedly be highly profitable on your side. Additionally, as YouTube's new YouTube shopping features and tagged products expand to more channels, this will imply that even without extra work, things will automatically be featured in the content and let you earn more money. Number 3, we have the marketing niche. The marketing niche covers a wide range of areas. While talking about marketing, you can bring up social media programs, email marketing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, or social media related programs. This is an excellent niche you can focus on because it provides a variety of revenue streams. But in terms of ad revenue and CPM rates, it can range from $20 CPMs to $60 CPMs. This niche requires you to leverage affiliate marketing for software as a service, which produces MRR, or monthly recurring revenue. As a result, you can receive monthly affiliate commissions from software as a service. Thus, marketing is incredibly profitable. But it's also very challenging because you have to be an expert in that field. By the way, just a quick reminder, if you like this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss out learning new methods about making money online. We upload a lot of videos on this channel, so there's a lot of money-making methods that we can show you, and you can use either your laptop, computer, or phone. Most of them are free. Also, hitting that like button really helps out. Thanks for your time. This is Daily Cashflow. Back to the video. Moving on to the number 4 niche, we have the camera niche. You may be wondering why the camera is included on the list. Well, because there's an opportunity for this niche. And here's why. Depending on the lens type, the compensation for selling a professional camera lens in Amazon affiliate marketing might be anywhere from $75 to $140. For camera bodies, the commission could even be greater. It implies that for every 10 sales you make, you'll earn $1,000. Having a channel dedicated to camera equipment is likely profitable. There are products with lower prices and lesser commissions on Amazon, but they sell in larger numbers. This niche generates more significant ad revenue than general tech, ranging from $10 CPM to $18 CPM. Indeed, it has the potential to be profitable. Additionally, you can get sponsorships for things like lighting, audio, camera, and stabilizer equipment. Even sponsorships for editing software are possible. There is money in the camera niche since the people there have money to spend or at least the need to buy if they want the product. Camera equipment and similar items have a long lifespan, and because they're frequently kept, the content will keep bringing in money for a long time. And now, coming in at number 5, we have the e-commerce niche. Because online sales and commerce can be linked with YouTube and Shopify, YouTube Shopping is available to YouTubers with 1,000 subscribers and monetized channels. Thus, more content creators will profit from it. The e-commerce niche is often tackled by YouTubers who talk about subjects like selling products online. Whether it be print-on-demand products, physical goods shipped via dropshipping, or e-commerce using Shopify for digital products, there are various strategies to fill this niche. You can talk about something other than Shopify because there are a lot of platforms out there or goods available in e-commerce. Good examples include memberships, digital product sales, and other similar services. E-commerce advertising generates a staggering amount of money. CPMs range from $30 to $80. You might also promote and sell your own digital products. This market is very profitable, giving rise to some of the highest paying YouTube channels, such as Bayaheza. There are several ways to generate income in this niche, such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and various other revenue streams. Therefore, this is definitely a great niche. But of course, you must be able to understand it. Number 6 is the productivity niche. So what is the productivity niche all about? Since we all care about money, being productive to earn money is what we do. This is where money online through e-commerce enters. Money and time are two factors that unite us the most, along with health. Therefore, it implies that there will always be fantastic niches with engaging content and a wide audience to increase views. Productivity is an exciting idea since it combines consumer goods, lifestyle, and education. This market also produces wealthy YouTubers. Additionally, it presents itself easily to strategies like affiliate marketing, both for software as a service and for material things that enhance your quality of life. It can also open opportunities for you to promote your own products while working as a brand ambassador for lifestyle brands. Lavender and her stationery line is the best example of this. You can search her YouTube channel and find out what I'm talking about. So, a lot is happening there regarding earning money via affiliate marketing and sponsorships and selling your products. Because of the productivity niche, you can access a high CPM niche on YouTube, which results in huge ad revenue. Now we're on the number 7 niche with one more to go. This time, we have a tutorial niche. Tutorial ad revenue can vary, but it almost never drops below double-digit CPMs. The CPMs might surpass $60 in this niche, which is pretty significant. However, in terms of what's common, CPMs in the tutorial niche ranges from $15 to $25. You can create tutorials about using Adobe applications, including Premiere Pro, Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, and others. Even though the software has undergone multiple changes, they are timeless. The tutorial niche is clear about its revenue model since it has the potential for brand partnerships. When it comes to the tutorial niche, you'll have the chance to make affiliate commissions, sponsorships, and brand deals. You can also produce your own products that are compatible and that could enhance your tutorial niche area of knowledge. Therefore, you can directly promote a product to your audience related to what you're talking about. For instance, if you're a photographer or a videographer who shares editing tutorials on YouTube, like Peter McKinnon, you can sell lens packs and color grading presets. Finally, we're on the last niche. This one might actually surprise you. The top 8 on the list is the podcasting niche. Did you know that this was also profitable? A podcast is generally long-form content, meaning more ads on this video can be inserted. When creating a podcast that lasts an hour or two, it's acceptable to include a YouTube advertisement every 15 to 20 minutes. And this makes the podcasting niche quite profitable. Because it is long-form content, viewers frequently leave it running in the background while the ads are being shown. You can make significantly greater ad rates than usual because of it. Doing various sponsorships and ads in a lengthy podcast episode is another way to increase the value of each episode. You can also reuse a lot of the content from the video you created by creating shorts or clips. So there are numerous ways to monetize the same content, including repurposing, editing, and cutting. As you may have noticed, many individuals have already launched their podcasts. Everyone on YouTube is establishing their podcast. If you've ever wondered why, it's because it's a profitable niche. And so, those are the 8 niches that are profitable on YouTube. You're free to select whatever niche you desire, but it's best if you're knowledgeable about it so that you can make better content. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.